Hawkseye Sound TV come back at you. So here's what the finished product looks like with the knockoffs and everything. You know, I didn't really show you guys too much of it. You know, let you guys see what it looks like. Nice and close up too. So pretty much the purpose of this video is, if you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I've been missing my fender trim chrome. This is because I actually lost my bolts or my screws that go into them. So I just left them off, and anyways, it didn't even matter. So we'll be putting those right back on right now. So give me a minute and I'll get right back with you. Okay, so here's the fender trim, fender chrome. If you guys look on eBay, if you guys want to see something that you probably never even find if you're lucky, but just this trim, let alone by itself, if you get a full set for it, and I'm not even talking with one for skirts, I'm talking just the regular one, you're looking at about $1,000 just to find some in some real good condition. But let me get back to it and put this on for you, and I'll let you see. Okay, so what I usually do when I'm going to be putting this on, you know, they take a lot of screws all the way around and everything, you know, and since the even arch in the middle, I usually just put the first screw in right here, Phillips head, and it just holds it in place, and then you can just go ahead and go through and put them in. You know, I don't think I'll be able to do this, you know, with one-handed, but let's check it out, see what's going on here. Nope, I don't think I'm going to be able to, you guys. Let's see if I can get this one in. Just thread it in, you know, normal, regular Phillips head. But you see right there, she's Phillips head. Screw it in, and that's pretty much it. So let's see if I can find the right threads here. There we go. You know, and push in and when you're tightening everything too, but that's pretty much it there. I'm gonna do this other side. See if we can get that on there. Okay, so you see the screw holes, they all line up everything. Push it over and up, and you'll make sure. I would always start at the bottom on these usually, so you can get them all even. Let's see here. You know, just get it in there, just, you know, so where it's in its place. Go around, put in some more screws here. You know. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So let me get a back view for you guys so you can see all the way down the car, see what it looks like. It's always such a difference, you know what I mean? A 7-foot glass. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Hawkseye Sound TV later.